You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take off the battery cover, take the tab on the cover and pull it upwards carefully. Do the same with the other side of the cover. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the air inlet collar on the resonator. Remove the calculator. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way in the following steps. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. To remove the battery, push down on the plastic tab and simultaneously remove the battery.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the plastic fixing tab back in place. Put the fastening latch on the positive terminal. Ensure that the terminal has been fully inserted as much as possible. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with the socket wrench. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Put the air inlet collar back on the resonator. Put the back of the battery cover in place first. Ensure it is clipped in properly by using the little spurs on the base. Then repeat the process for the front of the cover. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.